Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah, Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we'll be talking about smart art diagrams. Now we'll try to create and modify the smart art diagrams. We'll apply animation to the graphics, and then we'll try to insert headers on handouts and note page. So let's create the smart art diagrams. So what we'll do is we'll go to uh, slide number 7, and then we'll try to insert accented pictures. Okay, so let's go to the slide. I can go from here. Slide number 7 is there. I need to insert a graphic. Insert a smart art pictures. I'll go to the pictures, and this is a picture, accented picture that I need to. Okay, click on that. So I got the, so what I need to do is I need to insert a picture from it. So I can click on that, work offline. Yeah, I do have some pictures here, and this is the ship. Okay, there you go. Now I do have a text. We'll be working on the text as well, and this one I want to go for the glacier. There you go. The next picture I want to go for the caribou. Click insert, and the last one I want to go for the flower. Okay, so this is smart art diagrams. So let's go and see what we're going to do. First of all, for the ship, I have to type one of our cruise ships. Okay, so let's go and type in this text. In this text, I want to type one of our cruise ships. Okay, the size, I want to make sure the size is 32. Okay, the size is 32, and I want to keep the size, oops, okay, there you go, a little bit up, oops. You know what I can do? I can just click and move it up. There you go. So it will be one of our ships, and in this one, approaching glacier. Okay, and this one is caribou, and this one is wild flowers. If you like, you can change the font size to 24. And that is, I can F4. Yeah, that is F4 is working here as well. F, no, I have to change to 32. How about this one? This is 24. There you go. So this is how we created our smart art diagram, and we inserted the pictures, and we write some text. So see what is the next one. We have to go to the slide number 8, and then we will be working on smart art and then the block process. Okay, let's go and see. The next slide, we'll be working on the insert, smart art, and we can try the block process. By the way, if I can see from here in the format, do we have something? Okay, insert, smart art, and then we can go for the block. Okay, the arrows. We can try from here. This one. continuous block process. Okay. Now, for this one, actually, I don't want to create like that. Okay. What is happening is I have a text, for example, if I'm having a text uh, like this one. So if I copy this one and I go to my slides and I say, this is my text here, okay? And I want to convert this text into SmartArt. So if you see here, when you are on the home and you are here, you can convert it to the SmartArt. And I want to convert to this one. You see that? So it automatically added the SmartArt and it automatically fixed all the bullets into the. Now I can click on that. If you think that I need to add some more, I can go and press enter, and you see that I got a new box. This is new box. And if I want to delete, I can even click here and I can click on the delete button. So it's gone. So I can add a shape from here. You see that? Or I can, and you see here, and then I can type the process or I can delete it. There you go. So deletion is there. Now I want to style. What is that style? Metallic? Yeah, metallic scene. We can try others as well. You see here, and we can see, and this one and that one and this one. But I would like to go for this one, metallic scene. There you go. So this is another way to go for the SmartArt diagrams. Now we added the shape and we selected the metallic scene, and now we need to go to the now we need to do the animation on the clip art and for the slide number 4, the photograph. Okay, so let's go to slide number 2, and slide number 2 we have this one. So I want the animation split. There you go. Click on that, and this is the split. Similarly, I can go on slide number 4. I can click on that. I can go for the split. Now I can go to my this one. So when I click on that part, I can add the animation. Okay, and what should be the animation? Let's go and see what animation we are looking at. We are looking for an animation that is to fly in. So fly in. There you go. Now when I edit the animation, the effects are on. Before, the effects were off because effects are on the animation. If there is no animation, you will not see the effect. So I can click on that and I can say, I don't want as one object, I want one by one. Okay, you see that? So I got one by one. I don't want to bottom to top. I want to bring it from the left side. So I can click on that and I can say I want it from left. So the effect says, okay, I'm coming from the left. There you go. So this was the animation that we did to our SmartArt diagrams. And now, we did the left part, customize animation. Now we need to insert header and footer. This is the header that I want to add to my handouts and notes. Let's go. So what I will be doing is insert header and footer. Okay, insert header and footer. So I can go for the notes, header. I can add the header in notes and handouts. Similarly, I can go for the footer and let me apply to all, and then I can copy one more time. Insert header and footer. go to the notes, and in the footer I have to type this one, and I say apply to all. Okay, so it is not available on the slide, but when I will go for notes, when I print my notes, you see I got the header and I got the footer. Okay, so let's see the next part. That's it for today. In the next lecture, inshallah, we'll be working on the multimedia and charts. Kafara majlis. Subhanallah wa bihamdihi, subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika, nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.